Hey guys, Mark from Mark's Garden here. I wanted to talk to you about sun impatiens. Now, this is something that I get asked a lot at our nursery is, what is a sun impatient, and isn't it a New Guinea impatient, or are New Guineas different? Aren't they the same thing? Well, yeah, they are all the same thing, but sun impatiens are bred to perform well in the sun. So regular New Guinea impatiens, sun impatiens, they're all New Guinea impatiens, but sun impatiens have the breeding in them that they really perform well in a full sun situation as opposed to a part shade situation. And you can see we're in a field that just gets blasted with sun all day long, and these things just look great. We're into August right now. It's really hot out here. A lot of other annuals are really kind of showing some heat stress right now, but these things really look good. A couple things I wanted to point out. I was really intrigued by this series over here. This is a series by Doom and Orange. Now, this series is different. It's called their Spot On series because it's got this little spot in the blossom. This little bit of a bicoloration going on. So you can see that spot there in this color. You can see it going on in this more white color. There's several different examples that have that variegation in the blooms. It's really interesting. Angelonia is a very underused annual. It can be used in a bunch of different situations, from putting it in the ground or in a planter or even in a hanging basket. There are some varieties that are more compact that would work great in that. Like I say, it's just a very underused annual, but it is gaining in popularity in the market. At our nursery, we're noticing that our sales figures are increasing year to year, and for good reasons. You can see right now we're into August and it is just hot out here, and whereas a lot of other annuals are really starting to kind of peter out or show some stress, these things are just powering right through. And yeah, just great full color, nice full plant, great in a bedding situation or even in a combo planter, and like I say, even in hanging baskets or window boxes, it'll do great too. So yeah, a few varieties. Syngenta Flowers has a couple of really nice varieties here. This is their Angelonia Carita White. Just a really nice white. I mean, you could put that in anything, really. That's just good all-around full sun plant. And continuing on, here's another couple examples from that same series in pink and purple. Just yeah, I want to see it used more out there because it should be. Wow, what a flower. I wanted to talk about another annual today that's really good for butterflies and bees. It's called Lantana. Now, this stuff just performs awesome in our hot, humid suburbs we have here in Maryland. You'll find it down in Florida a lot if you live down south. It's just a great plant that takes the heat. If you live down south, you can keep it out year round. And we have this at our nursery, and right now it is just covered in tiger swallowtails. I mean, it's literally covered. We got customers out there taking pictures of them. The customers seem like they're spending more time taking pictures of the butterflies than they are actually shopping for flowers in the past week or so. It's kind of funny. But yeah, if you've never tried it out before, definitely try Lantana. It comes in all different kinds of colors, and bees and butterflies just go nuts for it. So yeah, Lantana, check it out. This is called Pentas. Now, this is just an excellent flower. If you want to attract butterflies or bees to your garden, throw this in with some Lantana and you're good to go. Over here you can see I even got a little monarch butterfly sucking away on this flower over here while we're talking. And that's really good to see. Right now this year we're sort of having the monarchs are not as plentiful as they were last year. But yeah, just an excellent flower to plant for bees and butterflies, and just summer long color. We've seen sales of this in our nursery going up in recent years. I think it's starting to catch on in popularity because it should. I mean, it's a great flower. Pentas, try it out.